how to connect PayPal to the Nintendo Switch. What we want to do is click on our user icon here in the top left for the account that we want to connect to PayPal. Then here from the profile, we just want to go to user settings. Click on user settings, and now we will go to the right here, scroll down until we see Nintendo eShop settings. So just select this option. And it's going to take us to the Nintendo eShop here. It's going to take a little bit of time to load. Now, once the eShop has loaded, we want to scroll down until we see PayPal account here, and it says not linked. So if we click on set here, it will show us this, linking a PayPal account. In order to proceed, please use your smart device to scan the QR code. If you cannot scan the QR code, please access the URL below using a smart device or PC. So we can either scan this code with our phone, which I'm using to record right now, or we can go to this website here, and it will tell us that once you set your PayPal account, please confirm below. Please click the confirm below button. So basically, we'll scan this QR code. It's gonna take us to a page which will ask us to log in with our PayPal account, and then we can confirm, and that's gonna link it. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.